Selfie Air Neo is a compact yet powerful mini drone designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. Built for beginners and experts alike, this drone features an impressive 2K camera capable of capturing stunning, high-quality images and videos. Whether you're looking to shoot unique footage or simply have fun flying, the Air Neo offers an intuitive, user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for all skill levels. Life moves fast, and your floors should stay clean without lifting a finger. The Robo Q5 Max Plus redefines convenience with its self-empty dock, letting you forget about dustbins for up to 7 weeks. With an upgraded 5,500 Pascal suction, this robot doesn't just sweep. It digs deep, pulling dirt from carpet fibers and floorboard cracks with ease. Equipped with a duo roller brush, it minimizes tangles and maximizes dirt pickup, making pet hair cleanup a breeze. The Merchant's barbecue gloves offer exceptional protection for grilling, cooking, and baking, making them the ideal choice for culinary enthusiasts. Designed to withstand intense heat, these gloves provide an added layer of security, whether you're handling hot grills, ovens, or stovetops. The heat-resistant material ensures that your hands stay safe even when exposed to temperatures reaching 932 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing burns during those high-temperature cooking sessions. From the moment it begins to rotate, this globe challenges perception. Nestled within a sculpted helix, it appears to levitate, suspended in motion, defying gravity. What seems physically impossible becomes mesmerizingly real as the globe spins inside its twisting cradle, creating a hypnotic illusion that draws the eye and stirs curiosity. Crafted from premium zinc alloy and polished to a smooth, weighty feel, the structure stands approximately 4 inches tall and 2.3 inches wide. Elevate your experience with the Razer Pro Click V2, a mouse designed to merge comfort with performance. Engineered for those long work or gaming hours, its vertical design promotes a natural handshake posture, reducing strain on your wrist. The Razer Pro Click V2 doesn't stop at performance. With 18 zones of chroma RGB lighting, it delivers vibrant, personalized lighting that reacts in real time to your gaming. Choose from 16.8 million colors to set the perfect tone for your setup. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving. And that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. Take charge of your fitness journey with the Aki K1, a revolutionary AI-powered trainer that transforms any corner of your home into a personal gym. With a catalog of over 280 movements and real-time AI coaching, it crafts tailored workouts that push you toward your goals, whether you're focused on losing weight, gaining strength, or maintaining overall health. Engineered for modern living, the Aki K1 folds down to just 0.3 square meters, about the size of a compact mat, making it 90% smaller than traditional gym equipment. In a world where your desk becomes your canvas, the Abus's Lamp Plus transforms daily interaction. It projects vivid content directly onto your tabletop, maintaining sharp clarity and definition. Every movement is seamless with natural touch control. Your finger becomes the mouse, responding effortlessly to each command. Beyond lighting, the wooden body serves as a resonant speaker, delivering immersive 360-degree audio that envelops your space with warmth and clarity. The Glome Petphone offers an innovative way to monitor and care for your pet, combining real-time tracking with health management. Equipped with a super tracker, it ensures you can pinpoint your pet's exact location, whether near or far, using light and sound for easy identification. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures or simply keeping tabs around the house. Its secure geofence feature adds an extra layer of safety by setting predefined boundaries. If your pet strays outside this area, you'll receive instant alerts ensuring they remain safe at all times. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leani PixCut S1 merges three essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Mashionike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. The Alpaca Vertex pouch is a versatile and practical solution for those looking for an organized, sleek, and weather-resistant accessory. Designed with the modern traveler and daily commuter in mind, this men's sling bag combines functionality with style. The bag features 3 large compartments, providing ample space for your daily essentials, including your iPad mini, electronic devices, and accessories. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Transform how you interact with your curtains using the Odor Kerbit automatic curtain opener and closer. Designed for modern living, this sleek device offers seamless integration with a wide range of smart assistant apps, providing hands-free control over your home's natural lighting. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down at night, effortless automation is now at your fingertips. Built with adaptability in mind, the Odor Kerbit comes ready to work with I-rails, U-rails, and traditional rod hooks, making it a versatile addition to nearly any home setup. Even the most traditional bedroom can be transformed into a high-functioning space when this innovative side table enters the scene. Merging design with technology, this piece redefines what a nightstand should be. It includes a built-in cooling drawer, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, or medication at the right temperature without leaving your bed. Whether placed beside your bed or your living room chair, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered without clutter. Bluetooth speakers are neatly integrated, offering immersive sound without requiring separate gear. A home gym doesn't need to sprawl across your living room to be effective. The Joysong Cube Rower redefines compact versatility, giving you the power of a full workout station in a sleek, storable box. Designed for more than just rowing, this smart equipment supports over 80 different workouts, covering everything from core-focused routines and Pilates to upper body strength training and full-body cardio. It's a multifunctional machine engineered for those serious about sculpting their best selves without compromising floor space. A breath of crisp, cool air is never far away with this powerful unit delivering up to 10,000 BTU per hour of cooling strength. Whether braving outdoor heat or seeking refuge in a sun-soaked room, it brings immediate relief with a temperature range adjustable between 62.6 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed to fit seamlessly into windows or to operate effortlessly in outdoor spaces. Step into a world where light bends, depth emerges, and clarity shatters boundaries. The Black Warrior. Cinematic 4. KRGB 3D GTV and KTV laser projector is engineered for immersive performance, harnessing naked eye 3D visuals powered by a precision 0.47-inch DMD chip. It unleashes a dazzling 3,000 ANSI lumens, flooding your space with luminous brilliance, even under ambient light. Take full command of your digital workspace with Flexbar, a precision tool engineered for creators, gamers, and streamers alike. Designed to adapt to your unique workflow, this touch bar solution brings next-level customization and efficiency to both Windows and Mac environments. Whether you're editing video, managing live streams, or gaming at full throttle, Flexbar keeps your most used commands within reach. Literally. With its compact footprint under 7 inches wide, Flexbar fits comfortably on any desk, while offering a highly responsive interface that reacts in milliseconds. Mornings feel richer when your kitchen holds a tool that treats each slice of bread like a work of art. Designed with groundbreaking innovation, the Balmuda The Toaster Pro elevates toasting into an experience of flavor and texture. Instead of using dry heat alone, it begins with a delicate pour of 5 cubic centimeters of water. This water transforms into steam, wrapping your bread in a gentle mist that protects moisture inside while creating a beautifully crisp exterior. Experience the next level of home security with the Accara U200 door lock, a sleek and powerful solution designed for modern living. Engineered with a fingerprint keypad included, it offers seamless, keyless entry for added convenience. Built on matter-over-thread technology, it ensures stable, energy-efficient connectivity, giving homeowners reliable access control without compromise. The lock fully supports Apple Home Key integration, allowing quick unlocking with just a tap of your iPhone or Apple Watch. Imagine finishing a meeting, unzipping your lunch setup, and dining with ease. Anywhere. Foldeat transforms instantly from a slim pack into a full eating mat, offering a clean table at the office, the park, or even an impromptu dinner date. No clumsy setups, just pull the zipper and you're ready. Foldeat's compact design adapts to your day. 1 or 2 containers for light days, 3 for gym sessions, or 4 for a full day's worth of meals. Carry it or leave it packed. It's flexible by design. Living better begins at home. Ultrahuman Home advances home technology into new territory, delivering personalized environmental health insights to elevate how you live and rest. Sleek yet powerful, it monitors the crucial elements: air quality, temperature, humidity, light, and noise, to reveal how your environment shapes your health. For the first time, home health data links directly to your lifestyle, identifying passive factors like PM, CO2, and formaldehyde that impact your health over time. Transform any space with bold, seamless illumination using the Neco Space Orchard magnetic modular lighting system. Built for customization, it includes over 8 magnetic modular units, giving you full creative control to shape your lighting environment. Whether you're enhancing a workspace or elevating home decor, each module attaches effortlessly to the 24-volt safe dual magnetic tracks. Enjoy unmatched versatility with 360-degree lighting flexibility, allowing you to direct light exactly where it's needed. Built to sharpen your multitasking game, the Quumsy KX offers a 15.6-inch portable monitor with touchscreen capabilities and a crisp 1080p resolution. Designed for seamless plug-and-play with laptops and PCs, this screen extender delivers high performance without complicated setup. The 10-point touch feature ensures precise control, whether you're sketching designs, editing documents, or managing multiple tasks at once. Crafted for those who move with purpose, the Oaklip Ultra delivers performance in a compact 2.09-inch form. This isn't just a pocket light, it's a triple-function powerhouse. With a 530 lumen output, it transforms from a broad floodlight to a precision spotlight, and even a UV beam for detailed inspection. Whether clipped to your backpack, brim, collar, or pocket, the dual-direction clip and ultra-slim profile keep it secure and accessible. Carve out your sound space without shutting out the world. Yamaha's TW-EF3A true wireless earbuds bring immersive audio in a form that stays light, open, and aware. Designed with a breezy, open-type earbud structure, they rest comfortably while allowing ambient sounds to filter in. Ideal for walking, commuting, or office use where awareness matters. These aren't just about comfort. Inside each bud is Yamaha True Sound technology, delivering lifelike clarity and balance that captures every breath of your favorite track. For professionals and creators seeking refined utility without compromise, the Cooshu X36 Pro Max redefines iPad usability with purpose-built precision. This magnetic charging stand isn't just a holder, it's a stable workstation, a charging hub, and an ergonomic assistant engineered to elevate productivity. Made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, the frame features 7 adjustable joints and supports both horizontal and vertical viewing. Whether you're sketching, editing, or typing, every angle is tailored to support your workflow. The Whipper is a versatile and compact training device designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts seeking a comprehensive full-body workout. It allows you to simulate a variety of sports movements, including paddling, skiing, rowing, kayaking, canoeing, and swimming. With this single machine, you can engage multiple muscle groups, improve cardiovascular health, and increase strength, all from the comfort of your home. Its space-saving design ensures it fits easily into small areas, making it a perfect addition to any fitness setup. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. The ZenX carbon foldable seat is designed to offer exceptional comfort and support, while ensuring easy portability and long-lasting durability. Featuring a larger seating area with soft memory foam padding, this seat provides a high level of comfort that improves your posture, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or long hours spent sitting. The addition of a pocket allows for convenient storage of small items, keeping your essentials close at hand. Introducing the Novadrum Tongue Drum 2.0, a refined and innovative instrument that promises to bring harmony to your musical journey. This enhanced version offers a unique double-sided design, providing twice the number of notes and expanding your sonic possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner, this drum is designed for ease of use while offering a professional, clear sound. With each tongue finely tuned, the Novadrum delivers exceptional sound quality, thanks to precise calculations of distance and harmonic combinations. Built for those who refuse to leave great sound behind, the Musen Wild Mini brings unmatched performance into rugged terrain. Inspired by retro military design, this Bluetooth speaker delivers bold sound without compromise, making it the perfect partner for weekend trips, solo adventures, and untamed exploration. Wherever your path leads, the Musen Wild Mini unleashes your inner wildness with powerful audio that fills open spaces.